2017 Chevy Silverado. We did a shock sensor add-on. The way it works is if anybody walks up and they bang on the truck, anywhere from bumper to bumper will fire off the alarm. From factory, it may have your truck may have an alarm. The way to test it out is to lower the driver's window, close the door, hit lock, give it a few minutes, open the door from the inside and see if it fires off. If it fires off, and then yes, we can add the shock sensor to the factory alarm, because factory alarms don't come with any type of sensor, so you can pretty much leave the car in full brakes, break all the windows. As long as you don't open any of the doors, the alarm will not go off. So if anybody walks up and they they try to break your window, I'll fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Then of course, any banging around the truck, any of the rims, the alarm will fire off. This alarm will probably ring for like 4 minutes. It depends how long the Chevy Corporation decided to let the alarm ring. So if you're not there to shut it off, it's not going to ring forever. It will just ring for maybe 5 minutes or so, and it will reset itself. That's pretty much it. This is a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm systems. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tires. Go ahead and shut it off by hitting unlock. So this is a nice clean way of upgrading your alarm without having to carry another remote control around. Kind of defeats the purpose of the whole thing of with the remote start and the factory remote. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.